Hi everyone! Welcome to Moral Vibe. Let's learn and grow together.
A jackal, weak with hunger, set out toward the city in search of food. In the city, some dogs spotted him, and to save his life, he ran and hid inside a dyer's house. There, he accidentally fell into a tub filled with blue dye, and his entire body turned blue. After the dogs left, he returned to the forest. When the animals saw him, they were frightened by his strange appearance. Taking advantage of the situation, the jackal announced that God had sent him as their king. Impressed and overwhelmed by his unusual color, the animals accepted him as their ruler. The blue jackal began living a royal life, ordering the animals to bring him the finest food. One day, he heard the howling of other jackals, and without thinking, he started howling just like them. Hearing his voice, the animals realized that he was actually an ordinary jackal deceiving them. Enraged, all the animals attacked him, but he managed to escape and save his life. Moral: deception and lies cannot remain hidden forever. The truth eventually comes to light.